What's going on, everybody? It's your boy HNIC Rolling, and I'm back with y'all again. If you're looking for a good old smoked chicken and you want to get it on that grill for Thanksgiving, or if you got any turkeys or whatever you're trying to do, look no further, because guess what? Your boy is about to go ahead and do it. Like, comment, subscribe if you have it, and stay tuned in, y'all. Right, y'all. So those are my two trays right there that got the chicken in there. It's spatchcock. It's getting ready to go on this grill right here. Now, hey y'all. Now I know, you know what I'm saying, temperatures are a thing when it comes to grilling. So if anybody, you know what I'm saying, that can give me some, tips and stuff on how to maintain my grill and without all this smoke, you know what I'm saying, that's leaving, you know what I'm saying, there are some leaks around this joint. Feel free to comment, all right? But anyway, I'm not going to talk y'all to death. I just want to go ahead and get straight to this video. It's Thanksgiving. I want to have some good eating, so we about to go ahead and get started. Anyway, like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. We're going to come back, and see how the chicken is going to look, once I put it in. But hold on, I can show y'all how it looked after I put it in the refrigerator. All right, y'all. So yeah, there it is. There goes the chicken right here. That spatchcocked it. I spatchcocked it myself, and I got like another one sitting on the pan there. This getting ready to go on that smoker. And I know y'all see there's a missed part that I didn't season right there, but that's all good though. I'm gonna just do my best to try to get that little spot of seasoning on there, and we're gonna get it on and popping. But anyway, y'all, I ain't gonna take too much of y'all time. I just want y'all to just enjoy the video. And we'll be back. Also, how I'm gonna show y'all how's it coming along on these right here. Oh man, these stuff are looking so good right now. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just I just want to make sure I spray it down with this vegetable oil just to keep it golden. But that's how I'm at. That's where I'm at with it right now. So we're going to go ahead and let it go. I got my little baste right there that I'm going to be basting with. And we're going to let this thing keep cooking. We ain't stopping there, y'all. I'm going to go ahead and see if I need to add more cooking charcoal and stuff, hardwood charcoal. So I won't, but I want this thing to get done, which it ain't gonna take long for these right here to be done, y'all. So anyway, your boy is about to go ahead and show y'all what I cooked, and we're gonna get right into it. Alrighty, so as y'all see what I got going on right now, that is the candy yams, homemade candy yams going. That's the mac and cheese right there that just came out the oven. You know what I'm saying? That's my mac and cheese right there, and then there's all my green beans. My green beans right there. And yes, y'all, about to have a good Thanksgiving. I'm gonna get ready to put a sweet potato pie in the oven, and then I'm gonna put some of that sweet Hawaiian rolls in the oven, so that right there can get going. And yes, everyone, so far so good. Look at my homemade candy yams. Don't that look good? Yummy, yummy, all in your mouth. In your mouth, just like G Rich. Shout outs to G Rich over there doing his thing, Happy Thanksgiving to you, brother. And yes, everyone, we're gonna go ahead and get right on back to it. That's what I want to show y'all. I want to show y'all all the process that I got going on for you. Good eating. You know the vibes. All right, y'all. We're gonna see y'all when the final product is done. Together, folks. It's coming together. Y'all see them? I'm getting ready to go ahead and baste them right now, and let it go ahead and last on out through the cook. I still got plenty more heat left. I just want y'all to see it. Look at that. Yeah, some of that, the seasoning and stuff may came off of there a bit, but that's all right. That's all right. You know why? Because this is gonna be good. You know what I'm saying? All that Tony Chachere's injection, all that good flavor. Oh my goodness. This is gonna be flavor everywhere. Trust me when I tell y'all this. All right, but we're gonna go ahead, ride it on out to the end. I'm gonna put some hams on there too. I'll show y'all on the end, or on the end of this video. Hey, what's up? Hey, look, everybody, I'm losing daylight out here, so I just took the chickens off. Now I got this little ham on there. See how delicious that ham look? It's getting ready to come off. I just put it on there. I just want some of that little, you know, that little glaze to it. I want to put some of that brown sugar glaze on there. But anyway, y'all, basically this cook is about to be done, and I'm getting ready to pull these off. And then, you know what, I'm just going to show you the final result, my final plate and everything. All right, y'all, hold on tight. I'll be back. All right, y'all, so there goes my final result right there. There goes my plate for Thanksgiving. I hope you all had a wonderful Thanksgiving, and I'm sure I'm going to enjoy mine, and I hope you all enjoy yours. So that's the finished look of the rest of it. That's the mac and cheese, the green beans, my ham, the yeast rolls, and the candy yams, which is on top of that ham, which the ham is on top of them homemade candy yams, and then my smoked chicken right there. Anyway, y'all, I'm about to go ahead and dig on in, and we're gonna holler at y'all on the next one. Peace.